Pancakeswap. People says to Pancakeswap is go in the garbage, but absolutely my brother, all holder is going to be completely wrong, because after a very my friends bad falls, Pancakeswap take a very huge jump now and starting moving upward. Congratulations holder, if you already my friend holder in the same time, so you will be very lucky my brother, to they will give you a 6% profit just in only a last one day my brother. Congratulations. But definitely my friend, in upcoming time they are also moving upward more and more, but just in only you need to hold and wait for a good time. You can see here in last one day, just in only my friend plus 7.73% they will give you a profit. So this is very good news my brother for all of you. In last 7 days you can see 13.38%, but in last 1 hour they will lose. So this is short fails, don't see the short fails. I hope my brother in upcoming time they will change again now and to positive. But definitely my friend, you can see here in the last days, especially in this week my brother, completely they will go in the moon now. Congratulations my brothers to this time Pancakeswap completely in the profit. And absolutely, if a holder are hold, if a holder are stop selling, if a holder are hold it. So I hope every coin my brother, every coin will not badly falls down. They will just only go in the moon and they will give you a very good profits now. So why you are starting selling? Please don't sell it, hold it. This is my opinion, this is my personal experience. I would just share with you my brother. This is not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally before you take any decision. But my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more stuff informative videos. Press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.